Okay, so we have the thing installed. Flip your top back just like normal. You just flip it back, it just folds right back with it. It's going to stay in place. It's all kind of tucked in itself on the fabric of the actual Sunrider top, so it's not going anywhere. You can be on the freeway just like normal. To flip it back, you just stick your hand in that center there, and see, it just stays right in place. And you just relatch your things, and it's back in place, and that's all you got to do. In the summer, you're just going to flip this thing over. You're just going to grab it, pull it out. And it's that easy to pull out. Flip it over. You don't have to start here. I just do that. It makes it easier. Now, I'll be honest, this side doesn't look near as finished as the other side does, but this will not fade. And the headliner fabric sticks to that Velcro. And you just slide out. Tuck your sides all up in. And then you have a completely weatherproof face on this for when you want to flip your top back. Make sure it's pushed down good. Tucked in the back. And it actually works just as good to help with the sound when it's like this. And you got the marine fabric down, you want to flip it back. As you drive it around, you just flip it back just like that. Can you stand up on there and see, or hand me the camera and I'll show real quick what it looks like. Just tucks right in with the liner, okay? And then we're just gonna flip it back. Nobody said we were professional video makers. And you just flip it right back. And like I said, this bead's pretty big. It should stay in place, but if it ever like comes loose, you just push it back. And then it's right back in place again. You just drive around, and that's it. Really makes a difference in the sound and the temperature of this, because I really like the convenience of these, but they're just so loud. So that's it. Thank you.